everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to be taking a look at a tablet holder for the for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro controller. This one will hold up to a 12-inch tablet. So I have the iPad Mini 4, and yeah, let's check this out. Get her unboxed for you. I know everybody's, like, a lot of people use their phones, but then I know some people like to use bigger tablets, myself included, just so you have a bigger viewing area when you're flying. This bugger comes in a nice bag here. I could do a close-up, I guess. Alright, so it comes in a nice little carry bag here. That way you can put it in here and don't scratch up your other stuff in your case and whatnot. Here it is here. The Skyreat for Mavic, and all you do, get this undone. This here actually just slides up. It's spring loaded in the back here, as you can see. So you just slide that up, and then this actually pops right out. So you have two separate pieces here. This is your base that goes in the controller, and then this is a part that holds your tablet. So just flip these up, as you can see here. And then these will pinch together, and this actually, this little swivel part here, if you don't unscrew it all the way, so this little swivel right here will actually just pop right into here. So you just squeeze them together, push down, boom, pops right on there, and then that is your tablet holder. So then all you do, tighten this up. If I hold this, tighten this up, get a position where you want, and then you slide it right into your controller here. Slide it right up in there. Squeeze the handles together so that they're locked in. Center it, and then there you go. There is your quick, easy tablet holder. The only downside to this, I'll put in my tablet and you guys can see, is once you have a tablet in here, you can loosen this, and then you hold this, loosen it, then you can adjust it. You can adjust it for the angle and stuff, like that, pivot it, put it this way, angle it, whatever you want to do. But the only downside to this one, which I guess I kind of don't like either in a way, being totally honest, is once you put a tablet in here, so let's say I put my tablet in here, right, and I do have a case on this one. The nice thing is it will hold your tablet with the case. So check this out, some of them won't, but this bugger it'll hold your actual tablet with the case. But now you see the bad thing is, look, you can't see when you're flying like this, you can't see your controller screen at all unless you tip it way forward trying to see it like that. So, but otherwise, if you just want your screen perfectly centered over your controller and want to fly like that, totally fine, works great. Nice thing that I do like is it's compact, it's easy to take apart. Just go like that, pop this out, and if you need to disassemble it, you're done in about 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Just take that apart, put that on there, flip these down, and then pop that back in. There you go. Or you can put it in the way they had it, like this. Boom, you're ready to transport it. So it's nice, it's quick, it's portable. Only drawback I would say is the location of the screen right over the controller. So if you guys are interested in buying it, I will have a link to it down below in the description. It's Skyreat tablet holder. So holds up to a 12-inch tablet. Hope you liked the video, guys. Remember, thumbs up, favorite, like, share, subscribe, and link down below in the video description. If you want to buy it, I am an affiliate member, so I would greatly appreciate the support, and we'll catch you in a future episode, guys. Later.